CCIEORDIE.COM, I'm Artek, and this is CCNP Switch 300-115 1.3b VLAN Database. The VLAN Database is what you build when inputting VLANs into the switch via global configuration mode. You could also think of the non-volatile file that's created, VLAN.dat in Flash, as the saved VLAN database. For instance, show Flash, we can take a quick look at VLAN.dat. And dir Flash, after all, it is a file system. And there you have it. To make a VLAN, we'll go into configuration mode, config T, VLAN 10, and we'll give it a name, which is basically a functional description that's pertinent to your organization. Name, management, we'll call it. Exit here, and do show VLAN brief. I always use the brief command because I hate seeing all the garbage at the bottom. To remove all the VLANs in the database, you can either use delete flash :VLAN.dat, and you'll need to reload for this to take effect, or you can do it a simpler way by no VLAN and the range of VLANs that you want to whack to 1001. Let's get rid of them all. Do show VLAN brief. And as we can see, VLAN 10 is history. You can neither name nor remove VLAN 1, although you can shut it down, and we'll get to that in the native VLAN section. Also, notice there's 4 other VLANs. These are other reserved VLANs that supported older technologies, fiber distributed data interface and token ring, and they're not really in use any longer. They also cannot be renamed or adjusted. Every port is in VLAN 1 out of the box until otherwise statically designated by the administrator. Although VTP can be used to automate this to a degree, that is another discussion coming down the road. A VLAN is a subnet, is a broadcast domain. Truer words have never been spoken. If that is a difficult concept, there's plenty of information at the CCNA level that will get you through to that determination. A VLAN contains broadcast traffic within the VLAN, unless bounded by a router or multi-layer switch such as this, which is really a fancy term that means the switch is also a router, such as 3560s, 3750s, 4500s, 6500s, etc. It is a given that for VLAN traffic to mingle with other separate VLANs, the VLAN will require routing services either internally, as in this case here with a multi-layer switch, or externally from a connected router. Once we've made a VLAN, we can assign ports to that VLAN. Let's make VLAN 192. VLAN 192. Name, we'll call it staff. Exit. Interface F0/1. And now we'll put the port into the VLAN. Switch port mode. Access. Switch port access VLAN 192. Exit. Do show VLAN brief, and we see FA01 is indeed in VLAN 192. That's really all for this segment. There's a lot more coming up. See you next time on CCIEORDIE.COM. Thanks for watching.